Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see the HTML tags which we can use in LWC, and in this video we are going to see div tag. So basically, if I'll talk about div tag, I have to just give you a brief about HTML. So HTML is used to create the structure of a web page, and if we talk about the structure, it means headings, paragraphs, lists, etc. All these things comes under structure. So HTML is there to give you the structure of the web page. And if you like, a web page consists of three things. One is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so with this little brief information, let's get started. For this video, I have already logged into my org, but I don't need my Salesforce org because I'll be completely working on VS Code. In the VS Code, if you don't have VS Code, you can download it. I'll provide the link in the description. And if once you open your VS Code, you just create a new file, and I'll just create a new file, basics.html, and once it is created, we can start writing our code here. Then the HTML starts with doctype HTML. So this line doctype HTML tells us that HTML is HTML5 version, and our basic HTML structure starts with this root element, which is HTML, and under this root element we have head. Okay, under head you can give the title. These are different tags. Basically, HTML is a tag, head is a tag, and title is a tag. And if you give the title as div title, so for now I'm just giving you the header, okay, and title is the tag. So this title will come here. I'll just save the file and open with live server. Once I click on live server, a live server will open. So if you can see, the title, div title, is coming here. Now if I want to show anything inside the web page, like if I want to show anything inside the web page, then for this part we have to write the body tag. So under head, we'll just, after the head is closed, we open body tag, and inside body I'll start writing div. This is a div tag. Once I save it, it will automatically reflect in the live server. See, this is a div tag. Now if I create another div, it will come in the second line. This is another div, so it will automatically come in the second line. See, it will automatically come in the second line. So basically, div tag defines a division in an HTML document. So if you want to provide any division, like that it should start with the next line, then you can make use of div tag. Also, the div tag is a block level element, and this element always starts with a new line and takes up the full width available of the page. So if you can see, this is the div tag. It took the full width of this page till here, and this also, this is another div, it took the full width till here. So I hope you found this video helpful, and you can use the div tag in your HTML file in LWC.